Nancy Guthrie disappeared without a trace, leaving behind more questions than answers. Investigators are still trying to piece together what happened, but this isn't the first time a case like this has occurred. In the past, people have vanished under similar circumstances, and for years, their cases went cold. Until one detail, a clue everyone overlooked, changed everything and led to the truth. In this video, we'll break down how those cases were solved, and what they might reveal about the disappearance of Nancy Guthrie. Because if history has shown us anything, the answer might already be hiding in plain sight. In one case, a person vanished under circumstances that seemed almost impossible to explain. Everything about the situation appeared normal, until suddenly, it wasn't. There were no signs of a struggle, no forced entry, no immediate indication that anything had gone wrong. It was as if the person had simply disappeared. Investigators arrived at the scene expecting to find answers. But instead, they were left with more questions, and very few clues to follow. As days turned into weeks, and weeks into months, the case slowly began to lose momentum. Leads dried up, witnesses had little to offer, and the investigation eventually went cold. For years, nothing changed. Until investigators made a decision that would change everything. They went back, and started looking at the case again from the beginning. Not searching for something new, but re-examining what had already been there all along. And that's when they noticed it. A small detail, something so minor it had been overlooked, dismissed, almost forgotten. But this time, it stood out. And once they followed it, everything started to fall into place. That single clue completely shifted the direction of the investigation. And brought them closer to the truth than ever before. Which raises a critical question. Could a similar detail already exist in the Nancy Guthrie case? And if it does, has it already been overlooked? When investigators re-examined the case of Emily Harris, everything started to change. What once seemed insignificant, suddenly pointed to something much bigger. Pieces of evidence that had been ignored, now began to form a clear pattern. Step by step, investigators connected the dots, uncovering links that had been missed for years. And for the first time, a clear suspect emerged, someone who had been overlooked from the very beginning. Details that had seemed ordinary suddenly raised serious questions. Step by step, the truth behind Emily Harris's disappearance became visible. What once looked impossible to solve, was finally understood. And now, the question becomes crucial. Could a similar overlooked clue exist in the Nancy Guthrie case? And if it does, has it already been missed? In another case, the disappearance of Laci Peterson followed a similarly disturbing pattern. She vanished suddenly, without warning, leaving behind a situation that, at first, seemed confusing but not immediately suspicious. There were no clear signs of a struggle, no immediate evidence pointing to what had gone wrong. And in those early moments, investigators were left trying to understand what they were really looking at. Days passed, and the questions only grew louder. What happened? Where did she go? And who, if anyone, was responsible? At first, there were no clear answers. No obvious direction for the investigation to follow. Just fragments of information that didn't seem to connect. But as time went on, something began to stand out. Not a major discovery, not a dramatic piece of evidence. But small details. Subtle inconsistencies, things that didn't quite add up. Movements that didn't match the timeline. Statements that raised quiet questions. Details that had been seen before, but not fully understood. And when investigators finally stepped back, and looked at the bigger picture. Those small details began to form a pattern. What once seemed unrelated, started connecting. And that pattern told a story that had been there all along. A story hidden beneath what appeared normal. A truth that only became clear when everything was looked at differently. And that shift changed everything. The investigation moved with new direction. What once felt uncertain became focused. And step by step, the truth behind Laci Peterson's disappearance began to emerge. 2 different cases. 2 different investigations. But the same pattern. An overlooked detail. Hidden in plain sight. So now, the question becomes even more urgent. Could the Nancy Guthrie case be following that same pattern? Could the answer already exist within the details that have been overlooked? Looking at these cases, a clear pattern begins to emerge. Disappearances that once seemed impossible to solve, were eventually understood. Not because of luck, but because investigators took a closer look at what was already there. In each case, the answer wasn't hidden far away. It was right there, in the details. Overlooked, dismissed, or simply not fully understood at the time. And that's what makes the Nancy Guthrie case so compelling. Because if history has shown us anything, it's that the truth may not be missing. It may just be waiting to be seen differently. A timeline that doesn't fully add up. A detail that feels out of place. Or something that, at first glance, seemed completely normal. But isn't. So the real question is, what are we missing? What detail in the Nancy Guthrie case has been overlooked? And could that one detail change everything? What do you think really happened? Do you believe there's a clue that's been missed? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this breakdown insightful, make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into cases like this.